You set your alarm for 7 a.m. You slept 8 full hours. But when that alarm goes off, you feel like you got hit by a truck. Sound familiar? Now flip it. You've seen someone sleep just 6 hours and wake up sharp, clear, and ready to crush the day. And you're sitting there wondering, what is wrong with me? Nothing is wrong with you. You just never learned the one thing nobody tells you about sleep. And that's exactly what we're fixing today. Here's the truth that most people don't know, and honestly, most sleep videos won't tell you this either. It is not about how many hours you sleep. It is about the quality of those hours. Science backs this 100%. Research shows you can feel more refreshed waking up after 6 hours than after 8 hours if you do it right. And the difference comes down to something happening deep inside your brain while you sleep. Every single night, your brain goes through something called a sleep cycle. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes. In those 90 minutes, your brain moves through different stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, which is the stage where your brain literally repairs itself, locks in your memories, and processes your emotions. The problem? Most people wake up right in the middle of one of these cycles, specifically during deep sleep. When that happens, your brain is basically pulled out of a surgery mid-operation. That's why you feel like garbage even after a full 8 hours. It's not about more sleep, it's about waking up at the right point in your cycle. So here's the simple fix. Instead of just setting your alarm for a random time, you plan your sleep in 90-minute blocks. If you want to wake up at 6 a.m., don't aim to fall asleep at exactly 10 p.m. Give yourself 15 minutes to actually fall asleep. That's how long the average person takes. So you get into bed at 9:45 p.m., fall asleep around 10 p.m., and wake up after 5 full cycles at 7.5 hours, or 4 full cycles at exactly 6 hours. Both times, your brain finishes a complete cycle, no mid-surgery pull. You wake up in light sleep, you open your eyes, and you actually feel awake. That's the science, that's the math, and it actually works. But we're not done, because even if you nail the cycle timing, 2 things will completely destroy the quality of your deep sleep and your REM sleep, and barely anyone talks about these. Number 1, your phone. When you scroll your phone right before sleep, the blue light from your screen tells your brain it's still daytime. This blocks a hormone called melatonin, the hormone your body uses to enter deep sleep. Less melatonin means you spend less time in deep sleep. Less deep sleep means your body doesn't fully recover. So you wake up at the right time, but you still feel tired. Stop all screens at least 30 minutes before bed. That's the rule, non-negotiable. Number 2, your room temperature. Science has proven that your body needs to drop in temperature to enter and stay in deep sleep. The moment your body gets too warm, you either don't go deep at all or you wake up mid-cycle. The ideal room temperature for maximum deep sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool room, dark room, deep sleep. It is that simple. Now, here's the psychology part, and this might be the most powerful thing in this entire video. Your brain runs on patterns. It doesn't care about your intentions. It only responds to what you repeat. The moment you start going to bed at the same time and waking up at the same time every single day, yes, even on weekends, your brain builds what scientists call a circadian rhythm groove. Your body starts releasing melatonin earlier. Your deep sleep gets longer and more powerful. And over time, you stop needing to sleep more because the sleep you get becomes so efficient that 6 hours feels like what 9 used to feel like. That's not a hack. That's biology working for you instead of against you. So let's put it all together. 1. Calculate your wake-up time and count back in 90-minute blocks to find your bedtime and add 15 minutes to fall asleep. 2. Cut all screens 30 minutes before that bedtime, no exceptions. 3. Cool your room down to that sweet spot between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Lock in the same sleep and wake time every single day. Do all 4 of these, and within 2 weeks, people around you will be asking what changed. You will feel it in your focus, your energy, your mood, and your productivity every single day. Nobody told you this, but now you know. Go fix your sleep tonight.